All right. Hello, everybody. This is Brandon Ivey, and this is a recording for those of you that are already signed up with Connect, or you hearing about what's going on with Win, and you want to get yourself a Win node. I want to give you a quick overview on what is just happening. I just figured this out and found out a couple of days ago. Now, Gala or Win node and Connect, we've been a part of this project since 2018, starting with green. 5, 6 years later, things are starting to happen. So this is something we want to pay attention to. So one thing I missed, I did not get on the Gala project. When their nodes came out, they were $500 a piece, and I did not get it. Now, when you got the node, it was mining for you Gala tokens on a daily basis. Well, when it first hit CoinMarketCap, it came out. Gala node, the tokens were worth 0.00013 cents. This was December 28th, 2020. That was their all-time low. 1 year later, less than 1 year later, November 26, 2021, it got to 82 cents. This is why a lot of people in Gala became millionaires in a year. But they started mining this before it came out, probably a good year and a half to 2 years before it hit the market. But it came out the market at 0.0001 cents. This is happening again with the token called WIN through Connect. It now hit CoinMarketCap. Its low, let's see here, 19 hours ago, 0.003 cents. Its high 10 days ago was 0.0056. Right now it's 0.0052. This could go the same way Gala did. I cannot guarantee it, but it can. Now, you can purchase this coin, or you can do even better. You can mine it. So I went to my Connect site and realized that I have been mining this node. I bought a bundle pack back a couple of years ago, and I've got all of these tokens. I already had green, Galvin, Win, Switch, Element. There's also Liberty, but I had a Win node. And when I look at you can click on Blockbot reports, and this tells me exactly what I was mining. I was mining Win for a year. I forgot about it. I didn't know. And I end up having 392,000 Win tokens. At today's price, that's a little more than $2,000 right now. So if I were to do the math, just to show you, 392,444 tokens at 0.005. That's a little less than $1,900 worth of tokens. Or what if it goes the same all-time high that Gala did? Again, no guarantee, but what if it does? Around 80 cents. That's $313,000 worth from one node. But this is not a node when you make the purchase, you have it forever. It's like you're renting it for a year. So I went back on here and I clicked on buy nodes. I selected one Win node, it's $500. And I started mining it. So if I look at my history, you can see my order history. I purchased this, January 17th, 2 days ago, January 17th. Now, what has it been doing? I look at my Blockbot report in my Connect back office. I click on Win. So I've got 2 days worth. See, 657 tokens 2 days ago. Yesterday, I got 656 tokens. So let's just say per day, it's averaging about 656 tokens. 656 tokens a day at current price, a couple of bucks? About $3 a day right now at today's price. What if that hits the all-time high of like what Gala did? 656 tokens at 80 cents. That's about $524 a day from one node. So I strongly suggest I'm not making the same mistake twice. I did not get on Gala. I made that mistake. I didn't. But I am getting on Win. In fact, I'm going to purchase another Win node live right now. So I'm going to go right here on Win. I'm going to click on the plus. I want one. Check out. Let me open up my wallet on my phone. Then I'm going to be purchasing this with. All right, node agreement. Yeah. Sign. Agree. I need to double this. Yeah, USDT external wallet. So let me pull up my USDT. Gonna send. I need to do at least $504 worth. I'll do 505 here. I'll do 506 just to make sure. Scan it. Scan the QR code. There we go. And send. I'm doing this on my phone, so you guys don't see this. Sending success. Okay, now let me verify payment. Your payment to our wallet has been submitted to the Ethereum blockchain and will be completed when it was confirmed. This usually takes less than 10 minutes. This page will update. So I'm going to leave that page open, but I am going to go back and open up web.connect. Now, once you do purchase your node, you can set it up. I was using Vulture to do all my node mining with Green, Galvin, and the others. I canceled all of that because it's complicated. They have a new process here, node setup. So you click on node setup. You want to click on set up your node. And then you just follow the instructions. Add instance. Oh, get started. Let me log in. If you haven't done this part, you got to create an account and then log in. All right, then from there, well, let's see. Has this already updated? Yep, it went through. Order status, congratulations, your order is complete. Now, let's see, click on view nodes. So there it is. I've got 2 Win nodes. One of them is online. The other's not online yet. So I'm going to, let's go back to, where is it? Oh, here we go. All right, I'm in my node engine. I'm going to add instance, community drop down. I'm going to select Win. 1, because 1's already online. It's going to cost me $4.95 a month for them to run it for me. Proceed to checkout. $4.95. Confirm payment. Your subscription is confirmed. I already have my credit card information in there. Let's see here. Yeah, in order to attach your nodes, deploy. Yeah, I already have my credit card information in there. Deploy. Invalid credentials. Hold on, let me move this over to the side for a second. Oh, do I not remember my password? Wait a second. Let me get this. Really? There we go. Okay, so now let me bring this back over here. So now it should be added. So let's go. I got my element there, Galvin, green, all my green nodes, and there's my two win nodes active. Now, I don't know how long it'll take before, if I go back to my Connect site, BlockBot, if I refresh this, will they show it being on? It might take a couple hours. No, there it is. See, total nodes online too. So now I'm going to get double the rewards I was getting before. So I would strongly suggest, if you're in the system, and there's a lot of you, especially on my team, because I'm going to be sending this over to you guys, on here, I would strongly suggest it. $500, set it and forget it, making you money every single day. And so this video goes through the process on how to purchase the node, how to set it up, and you'll be good to go. Again, on that node engine, on the node setup, it's going to ask for to connect the Win node. You need to put in your same email address and password as your Connect site, so it gets you connected. All right, that is it. Brandon Ivey out. Bye-bye.